Come again, boy, umdlalo wanamhlanje asisekho istar. Yes, bonke baphotshakele sibara bakwazi umthwalo yabasinda zahara. Come again, boy, umdlalo wanamhlanje asisekho istar. Yes, bonke baphotshakele sibara bakwazi umthwalo yabasinda zahara.
Here I come, ghetto Joe, hip-hop lion, that's right. The beat is my bitch and I sex her good at night. I gotta make it weird noises like a bagpipe. When I do my thing, she says I'm crazy cause I act like a monkey. When I'm done, I give him a banana so she can suck it. Every time I spit a rhyme, nobody can duck it. I'm a lyrical killer, them niggas call me Chucky. I'm the culprit, I'm spitting voodoo-ish verses. I make you think that you're hallucinating. Off with your head cause my lines are so decapitating. Should be full of fear, when you see me I'm devastating. Generating lyrics that make niggas feel like levitating. Meditating, killing you while you be so ambitious. I'm the hip-hop lion, you're my prelic and delicious. Emitting you with my dope lyrics and flow so malicious. I'm vicious, ghetto Joe destroying all your wishes. I see whack rappers gaining some cockiness. Every day showing off their incompetence. Cause I'm crazy girl, shower them with compliments. I'm having the feeling of killing all them niggas' confidence. Dominance is what I have, my ego's to the ceiling. Homicidal maniac, it doesn't matter who I'm killing. Intellectual brainiac, I am the one that they be feeling. All my niggas got my back, every day we be chillin'.
Abarapper banamhlanje benza igag, abasekwazi badiniwe benza igag. Umdlalo bawujikile wayigag, ngokunathi funeka sipretende sibeze igag. Andizikwazi ujika ndibe yinto engeyiyo ngenxa ye-work as cats kunye nalamabhidyo. Kusokonqaba amagama creativity ayikho azikhili beat killer zona bingo. Ndimu number 1 ntwana ndimi isikhaphawu. Fake beat unika umboko nzokubonisa umbanawu. Istyle sakho simuncu mbeko wayizolawu. Dope natural when I work in the low. Kuma usayogadi wamuhleba ngadi hoze groova nathi yekuvula isikube ngathi ntwana nakuhluthula igadi. Then ukhale ngebhadi ngcono wonke isikhathi udede wena kuhlangani. This is what I live, this is how I physically feel. This is what I dream and this is how I mentally heal. This is how I deal with my enemies by killing the beat. This is the reason of the flows and fire speed. My style, I mean I'm so dope you can't fake it. My flow is so sick I don't give a damn if you hate me. My rhymes are so hot and niggas swear that you can smell them, feel them, suck them, but you will never ever beat them. Come again, boy, umdlalo wanamhlanje asisekho istar. Yes, bonke baphotshakele sibara bakwazi umthwalo yabasinda zahara. Come again, boy, umdlalo wanamhlanje asisekho istar. Yes, bonke baphotshakele sibara bakwazi umthwalo yabasinda zahara.
Yes, uyabasinda zahara. Umthwalo yabasinda zahara. Boyisakele zahara. Baphathise badiniwe abasakwazi zahara. Yes, uyabasinda zahara. Umthwalo yabasinda zahara.